So we're still leak free in the carbs, and I'm going to change the oil now. I have this. I don't know how good it is. I'm going to give it a shot. It says to add it to the cold engine before changing the oil, 5 minutes. Not really sure how much to use. This is only, I think it said like 2,300 cc's or 3,200 cc's. 2,500 cc's, so I don't know, what's that? Maybe 2.5 quarts. So I'll probably put half this bottle in. This is a 32-ounce bottle. Just to play it safe, let it run 5 minutes. Drain the oil out. After that, new plugs, new air cleaner, and I think we'll be off to the races. We'll see what it's like after that. Stand by. Alright, so I gave the Motor Medic motor flush a 5-minute drive, and smoking pretty good. I don't know if it's coming from something I put on here or it's coming out of the head gasket or somewhere else, but getting ready to drop the oil now. We'll see how it looks. See, there's a little bit of oil here. I don't know where that's coming from, but actually it looks purple. It's probably left over from when I put it in the cylinders. Cool. Let's get the oil changed. Pretty sludgy. All in all, not too bad though. So here's our drain plug. Got it cleaned up, looks pretty good. Gonna drop the new spark plugs in while the oil's still draining. I'm excited to start it up again with new plugs and fresh oil. See how it goes. Not too bad. Very hot. Give that a little wipe down. See how the new plugs compare. With the 7. That's a hot one. Look pretty good. I have no idea if this is right or wrong, but my dad always taught me to put a dab of anti-seize on here so they don't get stuck in. Don't get too crazy, but just a little bit. And of course, dielectric grease for the boots. So let's get all 4 plugs in, put some oil in, start her up again. Not positive, but I don't think this was... Okay, so like everything here, I don't really know what I'm doing. That, in fact, was the oil filter, not that, whatever that thing is. It's got a wire on it, maybe a low oil alarm. So, here's the old filter, what you'd expect. So we're going to get this cleaned out, put the new one in, pop her back on. Kind of impressed. I know Fram filters have a very bad rap. I don't even know how good it is, but it actually came with the new O-ring for the outside of the casing, which I thought was kind of cool. I'm not sure where the second one goes, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. So that little O-ring goes in this, which is pretty cool. So new O-ring there, new O-ring here, new filter. Take the spring out, slide her back in. Alright, got the 2 new O-rings on, spring on, you're in good shape. Let's get some fresh oil around this O-ring and screw her back on. Oil I'm using today is the Pro Honda GN4 10W40. Seems to work well. SJ rating, good enough for what I'm doing with it. So 4 quarts of this was, I don't know, maybe $20 to my door. Not bad at all. Got the oil filter buttoned up. Oil plug. About 2.5 quarts in, just to the top of the sight glass. Poured a little bit of oil inside of the oil filter, but couldn't get enough in, so we'll let it run. We'll recheck the sight glass and go from there. Let's reprime the bowls. All right. Let's give it about half a choke. All right, full choke. Choke is off. She is running smooth. Well, the last video got it started. It looks like this one has it running and idling. All right, so that was a great time. Let's wrap up part 2 with this. I think I'll make a video for part 3. That'll include the new fuse box, the gas tank. How about the handlebars too? And we'll do the brake pads. Alright, so that's it for part 2. Thanks for watching.